everyone, let's create this soft peachy makeup. First, I'll apply concealer to the areas I need them. Blend it by dabbing. After that, I used this CC cream, but unfortunately, I forgot to start the camera. Here I am very disappointed. Then I concealed the acne marks, setting the face with the compact. Now I don't have any contour, so I'll use this eyeshadow as a contour. I think it came out pretty well. As the previous attempt went so well, I'll also contour my face with this. Taking this peach shade and cutting crease. Also, with the help of fingers, we'll apply the shimmery shade. It looks very dewy. Taking the peach shade and applying under the eyes. Now, proceeding to eyebrows. Start by filling the outer corners and with a brush, fill in all the places. Boo! Applying a very thin layer of eyeliner to get a very natural shape. Then I made a garvar, applying mascara with a very thick layer. We'll apply blush now with the same palette. Then I applied these two lipsticks, but I didn't like the outcome of this. So I removed it and see how beautifully it leaves a stain. I'll apply some red lipstick at the center of the lips and see. It's giving so nice ombre effect. Set it with a setting spray. Applied a little more blush as I felt like that. This is the final look, you guys. Let me know if you liked it. मुझे कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताना आपको ये लुक कैसा लगा. बाय, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट.